Alright, I'm back. Look at this. Holy shit, it's raining out here. Wow. I haven't seen this in months. It is lightning so crazy out here. I've not seen this type of lightning in a long time. I don't know if it's even been a year or not. It's lightning non-stop. I've never seen this type of stuff. It's raining super duper hard too. I might consider this as a strong storm, non-stop lightning at this point. Oh, look at this. Look, it's flooding right there. The lightning and rain is already good enough to start. Now if the wind starts blowing crazy, then we could easily get a tornado right now if the wind starts blowing crazy enough. Right now it's just pure heavy rain and lightning. This is something I barely see in Minnesota. Very intense storm. Wow. It's pretty cold out here, I'm not gonna lie. Hold on, let me just close this door. Shut this door real quick. So the rain don't blow in there. The rain is getting all over me right now. All over. I'm freezing out here, but honestly, I'm enjoying it though. I wish there was a chair where I can like sit down and just watch. Non-stop thunder as well. Oh shit, here go the wind. Oh shit. Oh shit, check out this tree right here. This might be the core. The lighting is so vivid. I've never seen the lightning vivid in a long time as well. I guess we got it early this year. Usually we don't get storms like this till like June, but I guess we got it in May. Wind is starting to blow now. Sorry about the camera movement. I'm just really cold right now. Trying to take the camera still as much as I can. Bro, I'm about to just fuck around and just sit down on the ground, bro. Holy shit. Yeah, I'm gonna just sit down, bro. I don't need to drill no more. My feet is tired. I might touch the camera better like that. Jesus Christ. This shit is blowing. Rain is so damn heavy. Oh my god, I hear an airplane too. No way, an airplane is going through this stuff right now. Hope they make it out safe. Oh, there's lightning. Yeah, I was just watching it. This storm came so fast before I can even record. Like the liner was moving really fast, but other than that, this is what it is right now. Brought some heavy lightning, some heavy rain, very heavy rain. Could call this torrential rain. The gust of wind. It's windy out here. I might turn around and call this a strong storm. It's on that level to be strong right now. Got the wind and everything. Then we're supposed to get this again tomorrow as well. I don't know how that's gonna go out as planned. Might be at night again as well. It's around like 9-10 o'clock or early, I don't know. This is the second round of storms that came by. This time it brought some heavier shit. Lightning's all over the place. Well, actually, it's calmed down again. Might go back upstairs. This was a blast. Windows probably all soaked and shit. Oh, this lightning is crazy. Haven't seen this in a long time. I don't know. I think the last time we actually saw like non-stop lightning is either 2024 or was it last year, 2025? I don't know. Either 2024 or was it 2022? I remember this being a severe thunderstorm back in 2022 that had non-stop lightning. I think it was 2022 we actually had it. Wow. Oh my. That was bright. Jesus Christ. It's like both ways. It's over here and over here. I don't know where to place the camera right now. Looks like I'm seeing like brighter lighting on this side than on the other side. This one got more lighting, but the other side is like brighter lighting. Like, I don't know where to record from. Man, I haven't seen this in days. Oh, I keep days, not days. Like, damn! That was a big ass lightning strike right over there. That was a big ass lightning strike. I just saw it right over there. Sucks I didn't catch on the camera, but right over there. That was a big ass lightning strike. Yeah, I might just keep the camera facing this way then. And this side just got brighter lighting as of right now. Damn, I don't think it's coming back down again. I'm not gonna lie. That's crazy. It may be coming back down again. This should be the last chord. If not, if there's like another one, then I don't know. I don't got my other phone with me, so I can't look at the radar unless I go back upstairs. But other than that, very intense storm. Jeez. Yeah, it's coming down again. Damn. Might be cool for another clip. Then lightning over here too. I'm seeing more lightning, more this way. Oh shit, that's not, is that hail? I think that's fucking hail here. That sounds like hail I'm hearing. Oh shit, that is hail. Oh shit. Look at this. Oh shit. That's fucking hail. Damn, it hit the fuck on my feet. That hurts.